So now we will see how we can import data set in our notebook. Okay, how to import in the Colab and how to import in the Jupyter notebook. Before that, download the data set that after downloading. Now if we want to perform any operations on the given data, then you should understand the data, like what are the things that stored in this data. Okay, so when I'm opening this empty cars data set, then I can see I am having how many columns. Select this, we will see 11, but the first column is not having any name, so it's showing me 11 columns. So actually we are having 12 columns. The first column is not having any name. Is it having any name? No. Second column is having name as a mpg, okay, miles per gallon, number of cylinders in that car, displacement, horsepower, drat, weight of that car, cubic, vs, am, gear and carbs. Okay, so this is the cars data set. Okay, so these are the first column that we are having are the different models of car. The first model you can see here, Mazda RX-4, Datsun 710, Hornet 4 Drive, Mercedes 450 SLC, then Valiant, then Duster 360, Mercedes 240D, Mercedes 230, Mercedes 280. So these are the different models of car. These are the different models of car, and we are having data like what's the average for that car, how long it can go per gallon, miles per gallon, number of cylinders in engine, displacement, horsepower, drat, weight, cubic, vs, am, gear and carbs. So this is our data set. How many columns are there? 12 columns. And how many rows are there? How we can see? Simply select that. We are having total 44 rows, and if I select this mpg, it will show me 45, but the first row we will not consider as a row, we will consider it as a header. So we are having actually 44 rows and 12 columns in this data set. Okay, so how we can import this? How we can import this? If you guys are using Google Colab, then you need to mount your drive, Google Drive. Okay, and upload your this file, empty cars file, somewhere in your Google Drive. Like if I have to show my drive, then I'm having these many folders here. In Python teaching material, I am having one folder as a data sets, and in this data sets folder I have stored this empty cars.2 CSV file. So first I will tell for those who are uploading this data set in the Google Colab or Colab notebook. Okay, then I will tell for the students who are using Jupyter notebook. Okay, so for those who are working on the Colab, download that data set, open your drive. If you don't know how to open drive, just click on the new slide, new window. After clicking, new tab. After clicking on new tab, go to this go to these 9 dots. Click on these 9 dots. Then you will get here drive option. Click on this drive. Okay. If you are having already folder, it's fine. Don't have a folder, then create folder, and inside that folder, just you can, where is this? Okay, so file, take this and drop here in any of the folder there, any folder that you have created in your drive. Okay, got it? Or if you don't want to drag, you can simply upload also. Now, if I don't want to drag, I can click on the Python Power Teaching. I can add it here, new file upload. Click on the file upload. After clicking on the file upload, go to the downloads and select your data and open it. Okay. If you don't want to drag and drop, you can simply open drive, create a new folder. After creating a folder, click on this plus new, click on file upload and select the file from your system and click on open. It will be uploaded. Okay. Now after uploading your file, first you need to mount your drive, and to mount your drive we need to import drive from google.colab. So write this syntax: from google.colab import drive and drive.mount, and write in the in first quote slash content slash drive, and execute this. After executing this line of codes, it will ask me the permission to access my drive files. Okay, first you need to write from google.colab import drive, then drive.mount, give the slash content slash drive. Please close that door. Okay. Slash dot drive. Once I execute this, then I'm getting the option. It's asking me the permission to connect with my Google Drive files. Click on connect to Google Drives. Then it is asking me to confirm my email. So I'm confirming my email here. Click on continue and click on continue. Got it? So now I have given access to my Colab to connect with my drive. Okay, got it? So it gave me the output mounted at slash content slash drive. Now if I want to load the data set in pandas, first thing I will do, I will write import pandas as pd, and I'm giving my file path here, and I'm giving my file path and storing in a variable name file underscore path. Okay, I'm giving here variable name file underscore path, and I'm storing this file address. Now how to find this file address? Okay, if you click on your drive, you can see here. If I come on the home, now I have uploaded the data set in the Python teaching material folder. Okay, I will click on Python teaching material folder. It's in the data set folder. This empty cars.2 CSV is stored. That means slash content slash drive is a, this is a by default. This is a by default. So write in the single quote slash content slash drive, slash content slash drive, then give slash. Slash will differentiate in the folders. Slash means you are telling that in this folder slash choose this folder. Got it? So in single quote write slash content slash drive, then go to your data set. This is my data set, and what's the address in my drive? My drive Python dash teaching material dash data sets. So this is the address of my drive, or this is the address of my empty cars data set. If you have created different folders, then you will get the different address here. So right here in single quote slash content slash drive slash my drive, because it's in my drive. Then second Python dash teaching material, then data sets. So I will write here my drive slash Python dash teaching material slash data sets, and in this data sets I have stored empty cars2.csv file. So I'm giving here empty cars2.csv. Okay, so this is the way I give the file path, and then I will write here cars is equal to pd.read underscore csv. This is the function in the pandas to read the file. Okay, pd.read underscore csv, and I am giving this file path, and in this file path I have stored my data set. This is for the people who are using Google Colab. For those people who are using Jupyter Notebook, what you can do, import pandas as pd. This is same. Give the variable name file underscore path is equal to, this is also same. Give the single quote, this is also same. Now we have to give here file path. So this was the path for my drive. But if I have downloaded this in my file path, or if I have downloaded this data set in my laptop, then there will be a file path, right? So I will open that empty cars data set. Let me open file location. Okay, this is the data set I got. Now select and click on right click. After selecting right click, after right clicking, click on properties. Okay, after clicking on properties, I got the file location as a C colon /users /admin /downloads, and then in the download this empty cars2.csv file is present. So what will I do? I will simply copy this location. Okay, I will open my Jupyter notebook. After opening my Jupyter notebook, okay, I'm writing here syntax again. Okay, I will paste my path here. I'm making it comment because I'm working in Colab. This is the syntax for the Jupyter notebook, guys, who are working in the Jupyter notebook. Now this path might be different for your laptop. So always go to your data set. This is the empty cars2 data set. Select, right click on this, go to the properties. In the properties, we got here location, copy that location, come to the Jupyter notebook, write the single quote, paste your location, pasted. Now in this downloads folder, we are having what we are having, empty cars 2.csv file. Now one more change we need to understand. This we have given the file location, but when we are importing that file in our Python or in our Jupyter notebook, don't forget to remove this backward slash and replace this with the forward slash. Either you can replace those backward slash with the forward slash, or you can use double backward slash. You can replace those backward slashes with the single forward slash, or you can use double backward slash. Any of the one is fine. You can replace the backward slashes with a single forward slash or backward slash with a double backward slash. Got it? So this is the way you can import data set in a Jupyter notebook. Once you import it, then write cars is equal to pd dot read underscore csv. So this pd dot read underscore csv is the function. That function and the file location I stored in this file underscore path. So I'm passing here file underscore path, and I want to print the cars data set. So I'm writing print cars and executing it. So here you can see the data set I got here. Got it? Yeah. Please do this. If anybody is facing problem, please let me know, because this is important. Whenever we are going to clean data, whenever we are going to visualize data, whenever we are modifying data, we need to import data, right? And for importing, this is important. If you can't import any file, then you can't perform any operation in Python.